it's beautiful. I mean, it looks just like a shingle roof. It is very important to me to have a roof I can trust to be here after a windstorm. We've had a lot of problems with high wind here and taking roofs off. There's nothing going to blow off of this roof, nothing. That was a selling factor, that I could trust this roof to last me the rest of my life. It just seemed like the smart thing to do, and I won't have to worry about it ever again. I've looked at a few other standing seam metal roofs, and I just didn't think my house would look good with a standing seam roof. I liked the looks of the shingle look on this house. My one neighbor had their house redone about 2 years ago, and they said, "Boy, we wish we'd have done that. It just looks so nice." The first thing they did was run around and put new drip edge all the way around. They started rolling out their insulation fabric. Boy, they started putting sheets down, and it just went so smooth. It's screwed down, it's not nailed. So that to me is a big plus also. They cleaned up everything. I've never had anything that was cleaned up that good when a crew got done, you know, and they went around and got everything. My former boss stopped in, and he said, "You're re-roofing again?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "Why aren't you putting a metal roof on?" I said, "This is metal. It looks like shingles." He says, "Get me their business card."